In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Sites to manage and modify your images. Google Sites is a remarkably simple tool that allows you to create and share web pages without needing any prior web design experience. Whether you're creating a personal website, a team page, or just showcasing a photo gallery, Google Sites can help you achieve your vision easily. Let's dive right in and explore one particular feature: resizing images. To get started, you'll first want to head over to Google Sites. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Google Sites in the search bar, or simply going directly to the Google Sites URL. Once the page loads, if you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account to have access to all of its personalization features and for your changes to be saved. Now that you're on the Google Sites dashboard, you need to select the site or page where you plan to incorporate your image. Browse through your existing projects, or if you're starting fresh, you might want to hit that Create New Site button to begin. Once you're within your project, it's time to focus on incorporating your images. Next, navigate to the section where you want your image to appear and add the image by clicking on the Insert button on the right-hand side of the screen. You can upload an image from your computer or select one from your Google Drive. Once your image appears on the page, simply click on it to get started with editing. When you click the image, you'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the page. Look for the option labeled Crop Image. This powerful feature will allow you to resize your image directly on Google Sites without needing any external photo editing software. Simply click Crop Image and you'll be able to adjust the size. You might see a box around your image. Grab any of the corners or sides to resize it to fit your exact needs. You can stretch it wider, make it taller, or even shift the photo to focus on a particular section. This cropping tool gives you the flexibility to ensure that all the images on your site are perfectly aligned and harmonized, contributing to a professional look overall. Once you're satisfied with the size and placement of your image, just click anywhere outside the image to leave the edit mode. Your changes will automatically be saved thanks to Google's constantly saving feature. You can always preview your site to see exactly how these changes will appear to your audience, ensuring everything looks just right. And there you have it, all done. You now know how to access Google Sites and manage the images within it, cropping and resizing them to fit your needs perfectly. This process helps refine the visual appeal of your site without requiring the use of complex software. Enjoy polishing up your website with Google Sites, creating a more visually stunning and efficient space for whatever story or information you wish to share.